We have Manisha Gupta joining in, and today she's focusing on ethanol because there's a lot going on with respect to this ban on not just the export of rice, but even sale of FCI rice to states. What's happening, Manisha? Do explain this to us.
Thank you for that, Surbi. Well, we do understand that there is relief coming on to the ethanol producers' way. This comes in from the oil marketing companies, where they are looking at revision of prices when you are making ethanol from maize or damaged food goods or rice for that matter. And this comes in with immediate effect on 7th of August. So whether there are bills being made on 7th or after that, you can start taking in the revision of prices that has been put out. I mean, as you rightly said, the Food Corporation of India has halted rice giving to the ethanol producers there. That is because you have seen the rice prices increase in the local markets, and there is state demand for rice as well. So the Food Corporation of India clearly seems to be fulfilling that for human consumption is the reason there is no rice being given to ethanol producers. But what the ethanol producers can now do is that they can buy rice and maize from the open market. And because the rice prices in the open market have gone up, let's say, from 20 rupees a kg to 24 or 25 rupees a kg. So that's exactly the quantum that we have seen the government or the OMCs actually fulfill to the ethanol producers here. So what we do understand is that the damaged food grains, which is inclusive of rice, the price for this has been hiked by 4.75 rupees per kg. And that would mean that your ethanol pricing, if you are making ethanol from the damaged food grains, goes up to 60.29 a litre. So you have this 4.75 being increased here. Same is the case with maize as well. Maize is an even more expensive commodity. So the hike here has been to the 6 rupees per kg of a quantum. And the ethanol being produced from maize has been hiked to 62.36. This is around 8 to 9% of a rise that we've seen in case of ethanol pricing from both of these damaged food grains there. 12% blending target is what we have for this season. 11.77% has been done until the month of June. And the government and the producers are quite sure that this number is quite achievable there. There also are other food ministry estimates as well coming in. Remember last year when you were making ethanol from sugar as well, that was to the tune of 4 million tons of a diversion. This year the expectation is, while the industry says 4.5 million tons, pardon me, would be diverted to making ethanol, the government says that 5.5 million ton of sugar perhaps would go in diversion of making ethanol. So there are a lot of numbers floating right now, but we do understand one thing, that with the kind of support and encouragement continues from the center or the government here, the ethanol production number, the blending number that targets perhaps would be met.
Okay, Manisha, thank you very much for that. Get into a break.